So today in this video we are going to subtract the given fractions. So here first fraction is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. So here fractions are unlike fractions. So while there is unlike fractions, then first of all we have to take the LCM of denominators. So LCM means lowest common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. So we got the LCM is 6. So 1 into 6 divided by 2 means 3 minus 1. This 1 into 6 divided by 3 means 2. So first of all we have to take the LCM of denominators, which is 2 and 3, and its LCM is means lowest common multiple is 6. So by 6, 1 into 6 divided by 2 means 3 minus 1 into 6 divided by 3 means 2. So now it is 1 into 3 means 3 minus 1 into 2 means 2 by 6. So like as it is 3 minus 2 means it is 1 by 6. So we got the value 1 by 6, which is our answer. Like as we have second fraction is 4 by 5 minus 3 by 10. So in the same way we have to take the LCM of denominators, which is 5 and 10 is equal to LCM of 5 and 10. So it is 5 times 1 means 5, 5 times 2 means 10. Therefore LCM is equal to 5 multiple 2 means it is 10. So the LCM means lowest common multiple of 5 and 10 is 10. So it is equal to by 10. So it is 4 into, now we have to divide the LCM by denominators. So 10 divided by 5 means 2, minus in the same way it is 3 multiple LCM divided by denominator means 10 divided by 10 means 1. So it is 4 times 2 means 8 minus 3 times 1 means 3 by 10. So 8 minus 1 means it is 7 by 10, which is our answer. Like as we have third term is 3 by 5 minus 7 by 15 minus 1 by 10. So in first and second problems we have only 2 terms, but here we have to subtract the 3 terms. So the method is same. So first of all we have to take the LCM of 5, 10 and 15. So 5, 10 and 15. So we take the LCM of 5, 10 and 15. So it is 5 times 1 means 5, 5 times 2 means 10, 5 times 3 means 15. The LCM is equal to 5 into 2 into 3. So 5 times 2 means 10, 10 times 3 means 30. So the LCM of 5, 10 and 15 is 30. So we write here in denominator part 30. So 3 into 30 means LCM divided by denominator means 30 divided by 5 means 6, minus this 7 into LCM divided by denominator 15 means 30 divided by 15 means 2, minus this 1 into 30 divided by 10 means 3. So now it is 3 times 6 means 18, minus 7 times 2 means 14, minus 1 into 3 means 3 by 30. So now it is 18 minus, here is sign same, so minus 14 and minus 3 means minus 17 by 30. So it is 18 minus 17 means it is 1 by 30, which is our answer. So in this way we can subtract the unlike fractions. So first of all we have to take the LCM as we have taken in all. After that we have to divide the LCM by respective denominators and multiply it by numerator. So this much for today, and if you have any problem regarding math, then just comment your question in a comment below and we shall provide a video solution of your question. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. So thank you.